Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV. We are here at 11th Cloud Expo, Silicon Valley. I have Marc Koetsier with me next from WorkVoices and the Dutch Pavilion and all sorts of things that I need explained. WorkVoices. It has been sort of the fringe of my awareness, and I'm thinking it is an amazingly good idea. So I'm sort of like a convert, but would you explain it to the world?
WorkVoices, in fact, is an enterprise social network where people from a company can collaborate and share knowledge. That's basically it.
I mean, it's so simple, but there aren't that many implementations, and I just like this idea so much. So give us an example of a company that does use it or a company that should use it.
A company that does use it, for example, is an engineering company, and they are sharing knowledge about the customers, they're sharing knowledge about the methodology they use to implement projects, they share information about sales, they share information about marketing, all kinds of information.
And what you seem to be saying is that the culture of sharing that we have from social media isn't necessarily being imported into organizations who are all siloed.
Not yet, but I think that is more upcoming, that people are using social media such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. more internally in companies, and they can actually use that information to do sales and to do marketing and to extend the possibilities.
So let's say one says, okay, this has piqued my interest. I am very interested. So what does WorkVoices itself offer me?
It offers you a timeline where people put down information. People put down either whether they're sick, stuck in traffic, or in a meeting, the outcome of the meeting, who they spoke to today, of anything that could be of interest to other people working at the same company.
And what's the history behind the company? Perhaps tell me a little bit about that. You know, why would I want to entrust? Because I'm sold on this whole idea of social business, but why should I use you guys?
Well, we have a huge experience in management consulting, and we've been implementing intranet since the 90s.
Okay, so it comes out of interest. That makes sense, yeah.
It comes out of just interest in why things most often do not work. Because it's very static, and the company wants to send out information to the employees. And now we finally found a way to use the employees to make more information available to other employees.
Do you use that concept that we use, in the big data world of dark data? There's all this data sitting in our organization, but it's dark. No one sees it.
That's correct. So what we also do is we implement, or we link to other applications that are available, whether it be CRM systems, ERP systems, financial systems. We all link those applications into one big portal. We also do the Google Apps implementation. There's also a lot of information on Google Apps. Also the user base could be on, let's say, for example, Google Apps. You can import the users into WorkVoices and you immediately start.
And you're saying the background is consultancy, so I'm hoping I can reach out and you guys will come rushing and really take care of me from that call onwards. You can do everything?
Well, we can do everything. We should be a product-oriented organization, and we have a product which is very complex and also complete. But we are consultants, so we really like to take the best out of it, and we do come to your office and say, okay, how can we really
sort of bend it down?
Yes, so that's the reason why we provide WorkVoices white label. You can use your own styling, you can use your own skinning, you can even make your own functions in it. So if you want to have the restaurant menu incorporated into your intranet, or you want a specific function, that's also possible in WorkVoices, as long as it has an added value for your employees.
All right, well, I'm sold, so now I just need to know how. I go to workvoices.com, I'm imagining.
That's correct, and you can sign up for a network for free, up to 10 users, and when we get hold of you, when we see you on the network, when we see you there, we'll probably give you a call and say, how can we help you further? Just see if we can make a match.
All right, well, you've been invited to make a match by Marc Koetsier of WorkVoices, and thank you for going. Actually, go now to workvoices.com and start. How much for free?
10 users for 6 weeks.
Go for it.
Fully functional.
Fully functional. What's not to like? Workvoices.com. Thank you so much, Marc, for joining us here in Silicon Valley, and thank you for watching out there on the World Wide Web.